What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Danny Handsome. Just got a package from Brett over at Slingshox. Let's see what's going on. Sent over a nice little custom Slingshox for me. I don't know if you can see that. I like this paint. Brett, I definitely need the recipe for this paint, man. You know I got some crazy stuff in mind. But it's cool. I mean, you guys can see that there. Got my name going across the band. Danny Handsome. Not bad. Thanks for the gift, Brett. Shout outs to Slingshox. Everybody knows I'm a really big supporter. This is the tool that they send you. Makes it really easy to take the bands off. So yeah, I'll be throwing this on something tonight so you guys can check it out. But I definitely need the recipe for this paint, man. You know, I got a lot of crazy things in mind. Dope colorway. Something real quick. Shout outs to the OTCF crew. Miguel, Brett, everybody down in Slingshox for making this possible. This is like a silicone based paint. This thing feels like marshmallows. So yeah, any questions or anything like that, just hit me up and let me know, and shock them out.